Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Well, my driver's side doors, like I told you, are latching nicely. And I got passenger side started. Welding machines in the way. There we go. Got this one going. Got the same handle set up as the other one. I went ahead and did the same thing. I liked it. Got my little box built, latch built, catch built. Nice and tight. And yesterday I had one of these latches for both sides. Now, I don't know what happened to it. So there's another donor truck out there that I got that broken latch out of, and so I had to go harvest this little beauty right here and the latch, and I got it tacked in yesterday, as you can see. And he said he was happy with the way I had that handle set up. I'm not crazy about it. I thought about putting it, I think I told you guys that. I thought about putting it back here on the back of the door, but the only problem is it'd be hard to open. You'd have to like reach across, and I don't really like that. But he said he was happy with that, so I was like, all right. So that's what we'll be doing here. Same thing. I'll be running this bar down into the door, make a slot wherever it's supposed to be, and then a rod down to this. And I'd like to figure out a way with the door card, whatever. I don't know. I may shape that and run it through a slot inside the door too. I don't know yet. Still not sure about that. But anyway, it'll be operable. And then I have to figure out, gotta figure out how to open it, whether I use a poppet or build a lever in there. Still not sure about that. So, but we'll have him latching anyway. He's kind of getting anxious, he's wanting to drive this thing. So I told him that I would get the doors latching so they'll close, and we'll stick a seat in it so he can drive it. Then we have to drop the tranny and put a clutch in it. All right. Just more fun. I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna get to it. See if I can get these latches done. It's been a fun build. Anyway, later.